Okay. Hi, Professor. I'm YEAP JIANN CHYUAN, and my matrix number is A186692. So now I'm going to show how to make how to build a computer. So first of all, we need to install the standoff first, which is this. Okay, so all the standoff is done. Then we need to install our I/O shield. So the I/O shield is to keeping the electromagnetic radiation inside the case. This place here. Okay. So after the I/O shield, we're going to install our motherboard. Okay. After the motherboard, we're going to install our CPU, which is also known as the processor. But first, we need to open the cover first. And here it goes. Install the CPU and close the cover back. Okay, so after the CPU, we are going to apply the thermal paste on the CPU. Okay, so after apply the thermal paste, we are going to install the CPU cooler, which is also known as the stock cooler, to reduce the temperature, also to prevent the CPU from overheat. So after the CPU cooler, we are going to install our GPU, also known as the graphic card. So since we got two slots here, so we're just going to install both of these. After the GPU, we are going to install our RAM, which is here. So first of all, we need to open the bracket of the RAM first. Then we're going to take our RAM and install 4 of it. So after the RAM, we are going to install our hard disk. So we place all the hard disk. Depends on the case we bought. So different case, maybe you can install different hard disks, the level different number of hard disks. So after that, we are going to install our power, which here. After the power supply, we are going to install the cooling fan first. The cooling fan, which is here. One and another one here. So I guess there's no more place for the cooling fan. Okay. Okay. Then we are going to place the cable. We are going to install another external, which is the disk drive, which is the DVD driver. So we open the bracket here and we install one. Okay. After that, we are going to make the cabling. So first of all, we install the motherboard cabling first, and if you use the 20/24 pins ATX. After that, we will connect with the GPU, which we will use the 8 pin, and here is a 6 pin, and here is a 6 pin. Okay, then we are going to install the fan cable, and here, which is the most important thing, which is the power cable. After that, here's another fan cable also. Okay, then we are going to another cabling for the hard disk, which is behind. So this one, we are going to place the SATA power, SATA power. This is the power cabling, and this is to transfer the data, the SATA cable. Okay. So all four is connected. We also need to connect the cabling for the DVD drive. So this one we're going to use the Molex, and this one's with to transfer the data. Okay, so now all the cabling is done. We're going to place the back panel to cover the back panel first. We have to change back to the mode. Okay, back panel. Then we're going, there's a two holes here. We are going to place the drive cover. With one, with two, done. Then, and lastly, we will place the side panel. So now we are all done, and the CPU is ready to go. So thank you for watching this video. I'm YEAP JIANN CHYUAN. Thank you.